Today we will be learning how to set up Python in Visual Studio Code. In order to begin working with Python, we need to download Python. So go to their website. As you can see that there's a download button. Check other versions if you want, but we need the latest version. So click on this yellow button. So meanwhile it's downloading, let's install Python extensions. So we need to install Python extension which is from Microsoft. That would be probably on the top. This one, yeah, this is from Microsoft. Install it, install Python extension pack, and you can see it's also telling you to install Python extension for Visual Studio Code. Now this gives you Magic Python syntax highlighter, then there's linter, then there are so many things that are there in the extension pack. So now let's install Python. Open up setup. Now click on install. So this will start installation. Installation is begin. So it's done. Yeah, it's almost, we are almost there. Okay, now you need to disable path limit, because if you set the path limit, then the path in your environment variable of the Windows will not set. Now we are all set to work on Python. Now open up folder. You need a new folder that would be your workspace. Name it Python and select the folder. There you go. Now let's create a new file. Now we are going to save it as Python. So to save it as Python, you need to select Magic Python extension. Give it a name, whatever you want. Name it, and then save it. There you go. Your Python is ready. Now let's print something that's really amazing. Hello world. Let's try this. Let's try to run it. So VS Code gives you debugger. Try to debug this, and there you go. Hello world. This was a quick tutorial of how to use Python in VS Code. Thanks for watching.